law of attraction changed my life. It's been a minute, but I'm back with something important, and that is very close to my heart, minimalism. I know that it's totally on trend at the moment because of the whole Marie Kondo Netflix thing, but I've been on this game for fucking years, alright? And it has changed my life. It can change yours too. If ever I'm feeling low or overwhelmed, one of the first things I do is I declutter. It's my default go-to mode. And likewise, if I'm trying to manifest something, my go-to method is to start decluttering. The thing I love about minimalism and the law of attraction is that to attract what you want in life and know what you want in life, you have to let go of everything that no longer serves you. And once you get into this minimalism game, I'm telling you, it is addictive. You will love it. All your shit will be out in the street and you'll be crying in an empty room. You won't. So as a lot of you already know, I got divorced this year and I moved from my house in the country that I shared with my husband back to my old London bachelor pad, now with my daughter in tow. That's double the stuff and still the same amount of space. Places in London are fucking small at the best of times, and I really wanted, I don't know if any of you remember, but it's around the time I stopped filming, but my goal was truly this year was to renovate my flat, completely change it, because I just didn't want to move back into my old space and feel like life had regressed backwards and that I'd failed in my marriage and that I'd failed in life. I haven't. I wanted to move back in and absolutely love the space again and love where I lived and love where my daughter lives and create a space that would be ready for our brand new lives together. Spoiler alert, I achieved it. And controversially, I turned what was a 2-bedroom flat back into a 1-bedroom flat. Part of it was conditions of my divorce. Don't fucking ask, it's a long story. And the other reason is that I co-sleep with Bohemia. So there truly is no need for 2 bedrooms. I think that's when you've reached peak minimalism, is when you're like, do we truly need bedrooms? Probably not. So I got rid of the 2nd bedroom and I opened out the space so that she has a big open playing space and we have a big space to entertain and just live our motherfucking lives. So let me show you my apartment. Just so you know, it is about 500 square feet. It's 1 bedroom and there really isn't any built-in storage or anything. So I'm going to show you everything I own. Just bear that in mind. It's going to be quick, don't worry. But it's truly everything I own. So Marie Kondo talks about reaching that sweet spot when you realise you've reached your peak minimalism, that you've actually, now it's maybe just be a little bit of finessing here and there. We're constantly editing because we're constantly bringing new things into our lives, hopefully at a reduced rate. But I've reached that point where I'm just finessing tiny details. It is actually motherfucking done. It is done. It's a done deal. I spend minimal time cleaning. That's my bloody dishwasher. Minimal time cleaning and minimal time sorting. More time for fun, dating, boys, seeing my little baby girl and doing fun shit with her and living my life. So anyway, this is my apartment tour. Welcome to my very minimalist kitchen. So over here is my fridge freezer. I keep a microwave and then a little basket on top, which is so handy. It just has like little boots and shoes that we can keep by the front door, ready for when we go out. So as you can see, I actually only have 6.5 cupboards, but it's actually more than enough. So my sofa is my absolute happy place, but it has to also be functional. I store my clothes areas underneath, and then you open up this little puff and it's a fucking library, man. I keep all my books in there. This little thing I keep, and it's just got bags at the moment in it and some paint because I'm repainting my bedroom. The absolute best thing I've bought is this wall bed, which has enabled me to completely get rid of a bedroom and save a ton of space. Look how easy it is to put up and down. Fucking hell, I love this bed. And these are all of Bo's toys. This console table houses anything that's like important documents, laptops, chargers and wires, and anything I need to sort of keep hold of. So here in the bathroom, Bohemia and I each have a 4-drawer unit, and I also have this little bath board, which I fucking love. Onto our shared wardrobe. This is the entirety of mine and Bohemia's wardrobe right here. The top shelf up the top there is just used to store a sheepskin rug. It comes out when Bo wants to play. We share the hanging space about 2/3, 1/3. That's her little drawer unit there.
This is a bag full of bags. These are the only bags that I own. There's about 4. This is my shoe storage, boots, shoes, high heels, trainers, everything. Then there's sheets and towels in the bottom there. I love these little plastic things for storage, but this is my guilty secret. This is my shit tip. But look, that's to be finessed. And down here I have more storage and some little books that Bo likes to get out before bed. I mean, look at that for using space. And this little suitcase just fits right in. Underbed storage is essential if you live in a small space. So I've divided up my 2 drawers. The first one is full of towels and the second one is full of like camera equipment, gifts and cards for people's birthdays and just sort of miscellaneous kind of shit that I don't mind being under my bed.
And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this tour. I hope it's inspired you. Seriously, chuck your shit out that you don't need because it will change your life. The choices for me were still living out in the country where I didn't really want to be, or moving back to London, the city I absolutely love, into a smaller space. I chose location over space, but actually, truly, Bohemia and I have lived here since October, and it truly does not feel small. It doesn't feel cluttered. You don't open cupboard doors and everything falls out, as you've seen. It truly feels like a glorious space to live in, so you can do it too. I'm living in 500 square feet with a toddler, and I Airbnb it, so when I leave this apartment for Airbnb, everything has to be away. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this channel, and leave comments down below, and what else? Or you can follow me on Instagram if that's your vibe. It's at Law of Attraction Changed My Life, that motherfucking dishwasher. Alright, I'll see you next week. Bye. Maybe, will it be next week? No one knows. That's the surprise of this channel. You just don't know when I'm going to bother to upload next. I'll see you soon though. Bye.